Sweetie dry. That's they are looking. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറി ബോളറിന്റെ മൈൻഡിനെ ഒന്ന്. Oh, look at that swing of the batter. Heads and gone. Bibin strikes for team. Very well balled again. Misfield. Very. Another. Sweetie dry. That's they are looking. It's a full toss, effortless shot taken by the batter. A bad one to come, but nothing trouble in the wicket column. What a piece. Back foot punch, it's clear the boundary off with the maximum. A stand and deliver try from the batter. Just and he's not a good shot. Full toss and it's clear another maximum. It's a chance. Wicket keep. My goodness, what is happened here? Ready. Wow, it's a nicely bowled right track. Cobbins. Full toss but not connected really well. Some sounds. Maturum. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറി ബോളറിന്റെ മൈൻഡിനെ ഒന്ന്. This time a chance for catch. Puts it on. What is happening? Oh, look at that man with the not-looking shots. Number 2. This time it's a straight bat connection. Look at that man. It's lifting his. Watch and wait. Shouting. Shout. Shot number 3. It's clear the comp box. Oh, it's into the comp box. And here's a chance for prize. He collected. Left-hander swinging the blade into the onside. 56 on the scoreboard. Anbatiyara. Well ball to start. A full. Now he's a dreadful start. Oh, it is clear right on the slot. Catch in the air. What is happening here? Oh, it's looking for a double. Will it complete? And will it taking for another one? No, it is. So 2 runs completed. That's Will pace of you. Well ball. നല്ലൊരു ഫുൾ പേസ് ഡെലിവറി. വളരെ പെട്ടെന്നൊരു ത്രോ. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ Oh, slower delivery. He picks it really. Oh, look at that swing of the batter. Well done. It's a clear call for the official. It's a no ball and it's... Oh, another no ball. Another miss by the bowler. Oh, flighted delivery completed. The over complete. 42-ന്റെ വിജയ ലക്ഷ്യം 24 പന്തിൽ. Oh, well ball. Very well. Again a full toss, not a good one for the bowler. Grounds are stopping and it's a chance. Couple. Again a good one, nicely flicked it. Wow, it's a beautiful one by the... Perfect Yorker. Well bowled to Eddie to win. 18-30 വിജയ ലക്ഷ്യം. SM Holidays, Compens and what a shot. It's out of a mile billion. Oh, that is a beautiful one. Perfect one. Delightful. Oh, in the air. It's a copy paste try. It's another missed out. Well ball. Well ball. He's a chance. But single. Oh, it's a good one. Heads and gone. Bibin strikes for team. Full leg one. It's missed out by the wicketkeeper. Single win, Stephen. A full pay. 6 to end of the things. Captain, the skipper, winding up all the things. Captain Malsara.